Hello friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Yesterday we have discussed angle of deviation and images formed by a plane mirror by any degree like this, by theta any degree, or two plane mirrors in parallel. Okay. So today topic is displacement of an image. We already learned this is a plane mirror and this is also a plane mirror. Here two plane mirrors are in parallel. So I am keeping this is an object. When an incident ray falls on this and reflected ray, image is formed in this direction. And here incident ray and reflected ray, this is object. Okay. We already learnt in parallel plane mirrors, objects images are infinity, but we can see only few because some of the light is absorbed. So that's why we cannot see all images. We can see some images formed in when two plane mirrors are in parallel, because some light is absorbed. Okay, when we can see some images formed in when two plane mirrors are in parallel, because some light is absorbed. We see only few images because some light is absorbed by these two plane mirrors. Okay, so this is yesterday's topic. Okay. And today topic, displacement of an image. Here I am taking this is an object and this is plane mirror, and image is formed behind the mirror. When incident ray falls on this, like this image will come. So this is the image. Okay. Here in displacement of an image, we have to learn two cases. This is first case. So this is an object and the image of the object is this. So I am displacing some distance like this. Okay, this is initial position and this is final position. Here object is here. So where image will form? Here. Okay. And the distance between the plane mirror and this image is 5 centimeters. And here the distance between these two objects is 2 centimeters. Okay. The distance also same like this in our images. So this is initial and this is final. Here initial distance. Here initial distance is 12 centimeters because this is 5 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters and this is 2 centimeters. We have to count initial distance. So 12 centimeters and final distance 14 centimeters because this is 7 centimeters and this is also 7 centimeters. So 7 plus 7, 14 centimeters. And here displacement, displacement of image is 14 minus 12. Here 12 not 10, because this is 5 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters, because initial distance we have to find out. So this is 10 centimeters and the displacement of image is 14 centimeters minus 10 centimeters. Here 4 centimeters is the displacement. How will we find? This is initial distance 5 centimeters and the image distance is from mirror is 5 centimeters. So the distance between this object and image when initial position is 10 centimeters. 5 plus 5, 10. And this is final position. This is distance is 7 centimeters and this also 7 centimeters. And final distance is 7 plus 7, 14 centimeters. So the displacement of image is 4 centimeters. Okay. Final position minus initial position. Okay. So this is the first case when object displacement is changes. Okay. And second case. Second case. In this second case is I am taking this is a plane mirror. This is plane mirror. This is plane mirror and this is object. This is object and the distance between this 5 centimeters and the image also 5 centimeters. I am changing the position of this mirror. Here the mirror is final position. This is initial position. This is final position. Okay. So the distance between these two positions is 2 centimeters. Okay. So image will form like this behind the mirror. So in this displacement, here we have to find displacement of image. Here initially 10 centimeters, and finally 3 plus 3, 6, because here 2 centimeters is the displacement, so 5 minus 2, 3. So the distance between this mirror and this object is 3 centimeters. Image also 3 centimeters. Okay. So here 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. So the displacement is final minus initial. Four centimeters is the answer. Here minus 4 we will get. So we have to consider only numerical. Only magnitude, not direction. Minus means direction. Okay. So this is second case. So these are the cases from displacement of image. In displacement of image, there are two cases. First one, changing the position of object, and second one, changing the position of mirror. Okay. So this is the displacement of image. So here characteristics of plane mirror. Characteristics of plane mirror. Here I am taking this plane mirror. Okay, so this is an object. This is plane mirror. This is object, and the distance between this object and plane mirror is 5 centimeters. Okay, and the image distance is also 5 centimeters. This is one of the characteristics. And distance, here I am taking, this is u, this is v. Okay, so u is equals to v. Here u means object distance from mirror, v means image distance from mirror. Here u equals to v. This is one of the characteristics. If the distance between from plane mirror and object is 5 centimeters and image distance also 5 centimeters, both are equal distances. Okay, for example, I am taking the height of object is 10 centimeters, capital H. Okay, so here I am taking, this is h, small h. Here second characteristics is h is equals to h. Here object height is equals to image height. This is also 10 centimeters. Okay, so this is second characteristic. And here image is virtual. Image is virtual, and image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, here these are the 4 characteristics of plane mirror. First one, object distance is equals to image distance, and the object height is equals to image height, and the image is virtual. Image is formed when image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, so these are the characteristics of plane mirror. So in this proof, here proof for object height is equals to image height. Okay, so I am taking, this is a pencil. This is a pencil and this is mirror. Okay, so this is mirror. Okay, so this is incident ray and this is reflected ray, and another incident ray and another reflected ray. So image is like this. Like this it forms, and this is incident ray and reflected ray, and this is another incident ray and reflected ray. Image forms like this. Okay, so this is the proof. Here height is 10 centimeters. Suppose for example, I am taking height is 10 centimeters. Here also 10 centimeters will be formed. Okay, so this is the proof. Here how much height is there, here also that much height will be visioned. Okay, so this is the proof of object height is equals to image height. Okay, here I am taking plane mirror. This is object. Okay, so here image will form like this, and I am taking here object height is 8 centimeters. Okay, here also 8 centimeters will be formed, but I am cutted some of the mirror. Okay, so here height will be formed 4 centimeters. Okay, when half of the mirror is cutted, here 4 centimeters will be formed. Half of this object height will be formed. Okay, so here object image height is equals to object height by 2. This is very note point, very important point. Here image height is equals to object height by 2 when mirror is cutted. Okay. So problems. First problem. Here question is, this is one of the incident ray and this is also one of the incident ray. Okay, so 45 degrees, 30 degrees. Here the glancing angle of reflection is 45 degrees. Okay, because this is also 45, this is also 45 according to rule. So this is also 45, this is also 45. Okay, so here alpha is equals to 45 degrees because glancing angle of reflection is alpha. Okay, so here glancing angle of incidence is here 30, 30, 60, 180 minus 60, 120. So this is also 60. So here beta is equals to 60. Here theta is equals to 45 plus 60, 105, 180 minus 105, 75. Okay. Here they are asking alpha plus beta plus theta means 180 degrees because here it formed triangle. So angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. So second question, alpha plus beta minus theta, 105 minus 75. Alpha plus beta means 45 plus 60, 105 minus theta, 75. So here 105 minus 75, 5503. So 30 is the answer. So this is the first problem. Second problem. here they are asking, this is incidence angle 35 degrees and this is also 35 degrees according to rule. So 35 plus 35, 70. 180 minus 70, 180 minus 70, 110. Because this full angle is 180 degrees. So 110 means this is 55 and this is 55. Okay. So here they give incidence angle 25. So here 25 because according to rule, so 25 plus 25, 50. 180 minus 50, 130. So this is 65 and this is also 65. Here beta is equals to 65. Okay. So in this we have to find alpha. So because this is 35, this is 25. 35 plus 25, 60. So 180 minus 60, alpha is equals to 180 minus 60, 120. Alpha is equals to 120. So here we have to find theta. 55 plus 65, 120. So 180 minus 120, 60. So theta is equals to 60. Okay. So here first one, theta plus alpha plus beta. 65 plus 60 plus 120, 245. Okay. Second one, sum of angles of all angles. Here how many angles there? We have to add. 55 plus 35 plus 35, 75. This is 180 and this is 180. 180 plus 180 plus theta. Theta is 60. So 180 plus 180, 360. 360 plus 60, 420. 420 is the sum of all angles in this given diagram. Okay. Third question. Here they give, this is plane mirror. Okay. This is object and this is image. Here they give object height 15 centimeters and the distance between object and plane mirror is 5 centimeters. So in this first question, sum of object height and this distance. Object height and the distance between object and plane mirror. So here 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5 is equals to 20 centimeters. Okay. Here this is also 5 centimeters and this is also 15 centimeters. Because object distance and image distance are equal. Object height and image height are equal. So this is also 15 plus 5, 20. So the sum of image height and image distance is 20. Okay. So second one also 20 centimeters. Okay. Fourth one. Theta is equals to 60 degrees and what is angle of deviation. Here they gave theta is equals to 60 degrees. Here they gave theta is equals to 60 degrees and they are asking angle of deviation for two plane mirrors. So here angle of deviation formula is delta is equals to 360 minus 2 theta. Okay. So 360 minus 2 theta means 2 into 60, 120. So delta is equals to 240. Angle of deviation is 240 degrees. Okay. Here they give theta is equals to 60 degrees and how many images form? How many images form? Okay. So here formula is n is equals to 360 by theta. So 360 by 60 degrees. 60 ones 66. So 6 images will be formed. This is even. We should not subtract, neither add. Okay. So this is 6 images are formed when theta is equals to 60 degrees. Okay. So this is today topic. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.